Well, we should get it, but you get, I better get a video of that.
I am right now.
We ain't got no proof of it.
Oh, God.
It's like frosting a big cake.
Yeah. I'll get that. I'll throw it for you just a little bit, and you can do it.
He is trying to make this a wet t-shirt contest.
A wet t-shirt contest. Yeah, right.
I hate to tell you, ladies, but I was winning.
Depends on who the judge is, honey.
I guess. You know, you gotta have confidence, though, right?
Why do we need this, like, totally smooth? I don't get it.
Well, it don't have to be exactly.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
It's trying to basically not run all the big lines and holes.
Well, it's painted anyways.
Not too bad for a bunch of novice. There's the post. One there and one there. They look pretty good.
Great job.
Yeah, that looks great.
I'd hire you.
A few spots right here didn't turn out. Dried up on us. It'll be okay.